Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest from Masagli Channel, a free dealer, also matardor. So ngayong hapon ito, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos. At maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Okay, so this is something, your home is protected by angels. So, ibig sabihin dito, protektado daw ng ating mga gabay ang inyong tahanan. No? Ang inyong pamilya. And this is something, decide to be happy now. No? Kailangan mo kailangan mo magdesisyon, magiging masaya ka ngayon. No? And because this is something, let go of fear now. Isa pa to. Kailangan mo rin alisin. No? Labanan ng takot at pangamba mo. No? Kailangan mo nang pakawalan daw yung takot na yan. And because this is something, guys, with explore your options. No, na may mga bagay na kailangan mong alamin, natuklasin. No? At kumbaga there's a multiple choices. No? And because kailangan handa ka. No? Kailangan there's something yung plan A, plan B, plan C. Hindi pwede isa lang yung plano mo. So let's see what is the initial messages. And there's something, be gentle with yourself. No? Kailangan maging aware ka, no, sa sarili mo. Na wag mo masyado, guys, pinipressure. Na wag ka masyadong, wag mo pinipilit yung sarili mo sa isang bagay. No, hindi pa hubog, hindi pa ready. No, kaya kailangan mo siya kusang mangyari. No? Wag mo pilitin, wag mo puwersahin. Just continue what you're doing. No? So let's see. Ano kaya kaganapan pa sa buhay mo ang ating mahihilap? At paano natin madadagdagan pa? At paano natin pa mapapayabong tong eksena na to. Ito na guys, dagdagan na natin siya guys. Let's see. With an angel spirit messages, give me an information pa. Okay, so this is something, the Six of Cups. Now there's something guys with a past person or something, a reminiscence. Na may mga bagay na nangyari from the past na maaaring manumbalik. No? Or either there's something, a past situation coming back. No? Or maaaring ibabalik-balik dito yung sitwasyon na nangyari sa isa nakaraan. No? Na kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan. And because this is something guys with the past person na maaaring bumalik from the past. No? Para ungkatin ang nakaraan. Ay. Let's see what is the initial messages. And there's a Page of Wands. Some of you guys na tanggap ka ng phone call, messages, and email. As of now, maaaring makatanggap ka ngayon. Bukas sa mga susunod na araw ng message. No, phone call and email. And there's a Page of Swords. No, there's something spying, looking, watching at you. Some of you guys, no, nag-i-stalk by social media. No, may sumusubaybay sa'yo. Or either, baka ikaw to. No, there's something cross-watcher out there. Baka ikaw tong hindi pa makamove on. No? Let's see what is the initial messages. And this is something, the Knight of Pentacles. Being security and of course being practicality. Pagdating sa finances. No? Pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. Kailangan slow and steady ka lang. Kalmado. And because this is something, the Hermit card. Spiritual enlightenment. May mga bagay na magliliwanag sa'yo about sa spirituality. Unti-unti mo tutuklasin at hanapin yung sarili mo dito. Or may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mahanap yung sarili mo. Soul searching. And there's the King of Wands, something a vision. Na unti-unti mo na rin makikita yung magiging possibilities. No, yung kalalabasan ng eksena mo. No, magiging maganda na ang resulta at magiging maganda na ang plano sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, there's sa ating 5 years, 10 years from now, kumbaga, ang laki na ng changes and development sa buhay mo. Now, let's see. Alamin na natin ang kaganapan with the Six of Cups. There's something, the Nine of Swords. Oh my God, there's something guys with an anxiety, sleepless nights. Some of you, hindi ka makatulog. Balisa ka. No? And because there's something, oh my God, there's something a past person maaaring ginagawan ka ng black magic involved or gayuma. No? Para bumalik ka, para isipin ka niya. No? Oh my God. Let's see what is the Page of Wands. And there's a Three of Cups, no? Something celebration, homecoming, family gathering, guys, no? Marami kang matatanggap ditong, kumbaga, invitations. No? There's a lot of events, no? Like a wedding, birthday, binyag, ano man to, maaaring may mga bagay na matanggap ka. Let's see what is the Page of Swords. Represent guys with a High Priestess, no? Maraming bagay dito na nakatago, no? Or maaaring may sikretong nag-i-stalk sa'yo may social media. May secret admirer, guys, no? May lihim na may pagtingin sa'yo. Na itong tao na to, lakas ang tama sa'yo. And there's a Justice card, karma is coming. So, may mga bagay dito na maaring unti-unti nang may babalik sa'yo kung ano man yung mga bagay na nawala. No? Kung baga unti-unti nang mapaparating sa'yo, no, ang tunay na biyaya at magandang kapalaran. No? Maaaring maging panatag at maging balanse na ang iyong finances. So, let's see what is the Hermit card. The Hermit card represents the Page of Pentacles. No? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka na dito ng plano, no, pangarap, no, maaaring manifest mo na siya. No, alam mo na kung ano yung purpose mo talaga sa buhay. No, mas lalo mo, kumbaga, lalo ka nag-explore, no, sa knowledge, experiences, and there's a lot of adventures, no, na maaaring nangyari sa buhay mo. So, let's see. Anong ganap with the King of Wands? Represent, guys, with the Queen of Wands. The King and Queen, there is a feminine and masculine energy na nire-represent with the confident. No, lakas ng loob at tapang humarap, no, sa mga pangarap, no, kahit na alam mong sayad, na alam mong hindi mo kayang gawin at parang malabo na may sa katuparan, pero lumalaban ka, no? So, let's see what is the Six of Cups because the Knight of Swords represent with the Chariot card. May parating na tao na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin maka-move on. No, nahihirapan kang pakawalan at bitawan. Ay, ang taray, ang sarap mo dyan, kuya, sir. No? Kumbaga, nahihirapan siyang mag-move on dahil, kumbaga, sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa inyo, gato ganyan. What is the Page of Wands? The Three of Cups. Represent the Five of Swords. No, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your actions. Mag-ingat ka, no? Sa lahat ng mga impormasyon na baka ikaw mismo makapagbitaw ng salita. Baka may hinihintay kang bumalik. Itong tao na to, mamaya biglang bumalik. Tapos mamaya, nasa iyo pala magiging diferensya dahil yung bunganga mo pasmado. No, mag-ingat ka. No, mamaya biglang magtampo ang kapalaran. No, imbis na manumbalik at magkabalikan kayong ending. No, nag-defeat talaga. And there is something, the Page of Swords, because the High Priestess represents with the Seven of Wands. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. No? Kumbaga, okay, there's a lot of evil eye now, na marami talagang inggitera sa paligid mo. No? Especially katapat ng bahay mo talaga. Nakikita ko maraming inggitera. My goodness. Yung harap-harapan chinichismis ka, tapos biglang iibayin yung kwento pag dumaan ka. Ay, kilalang kilala ha. What is the Nine of Pentacles? Kasi Justice card. Represent with the Ten of Cups. With that happiness, na magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ang buhay mo dito. No, punong-puno ng kaligayahan to na nag-uumapaw. There's something justice will be served. Makukuha mo yung hustisya. Yung karapat-dapat na para sa'yo. No, protektado daw ang pamilya mo dito. Kaya there's something, your home is protected by angels. Protektado ang pamilya mo dito. Maaaring magiging masaya ka dito. Enjoyin mo yung bawat eksena na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Dahil itong bagay na to ay maaaring tatatak sa'yo. This is something momentum. No? Maaaring magiging milestone talaga siya, T. And this is something, the Hermit card, because the Page of Pentacles. There's something, the Moon card. At trivial. So, lahat ng mga bagay nito ibabahagi sa'yo na maaaring unti-unti mo matutuklasan ng totoong kahalaga ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo akalain na yung bagay na yon, kumbaga, malaking impact pala sa pagkatao mo, no? Maaaring may mga bagay na mamamanifest ka na hindi mo akalain na yung palang ginagawa mo ay in a good way, in a good matter pala, na malaki palang impact sa buhay mo, no? Let's see what is the King of Wands because the Queen of Wands. Referencing with the Three of Swords. Some of you guys, no, there's something heart-pain, something broken, and because there's something disappointment. No, parang sinasabi dito na handa ka ng lumaban. No, handa ka ng ipaglaban kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, hindi ka na natatakot ma-disappoint, hindi ka na natatakot masaktan. At maaaring palaban ka na. So, let's see. What is the initial messages for the outcome? For the outcome, guys. So, there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse, something, guys, at something acceptance. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. Ano man yung mga pagkakamali, kabiguan, mga sakit o dulot ng nakaraan na maaaring unti-unti mo natatanggapin. Now, what is the Page of Wands? Because the Three of Cups and the Five of Swords. Clarification with, yun nga, the Nine of Cups. We feel payment. So, maaaring matutupad na yung mga pangharap mo. No, yung akala mo hindi mo makakamit, hindi mo makakawakan ito na abot kamay mo na. And because there's something, the Queen of Cups. With emotional healing. Na magiging kalmado na at magiging maayos ng yung pakiramdam. No? Let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles because the Justice card is the Ten of Cups. Now, reference with the Five of Wands, sabi ko na nga ba, maraming inggitera. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a lot of competitor. No? Ayaw maasapawan, ayaw maungasan. No? Maraming taong ganyan. Yung akakala nila, ang gaganda nila, mga tsaka, charis. And because there's a Hermit card because the Page of Pentacles because the Moon card. Referencing with the Page of Cups by intuitions, no? Maaaring tatalas na dito yung kaisipan mo, no? Magkakaroon ka ng gut feeling, and some of you guys may panaginip pa, no? Marami pumapasok sa panaginip mo ng kung ano-ano, no? It's something assigned with the spirit guides, no? This is something as signos, na bibigyan ka ng senyales para ma-manifest mo itong pangarap mo, itong gusto mo mangyari, no? Sinasabi dito, mag-desisyon ka, maging masaya ka sa kung naman yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Just explore, no, your talent, explore and enhance your abilities, and polish your skills. No, kayang-kaya mong baguhin yung kinagagalawan mo. What is the King of Wands, because Queen of Wands, because the Three of Swords. Reference with the Eight of Cups, something you're moving forward, makaka-move on ka rin, na makakalaya ka rin dyan, no, sa mundong ginagalawan mo. There's another one's konting tiyaga pa. Ang tinatawag dito, di ba, pag may tiyaga, minilaga. So, kaya mo yan. You can do it, guys. No? Kailangan palaban ka. Kailangan mo lumaban. Huwag ka na magmukhang kalaban. So, let's see. What is the initial messages for finances and career? There's the Kingman, guys. There's something a new perspective. Baguhin mo yung pananaw mo. Baguhin mo yung mindset mo. Na baguhin mo yung pumapasok sa utak mo. You're feeling exhausted. You're feeling drained. No? Dahil ang daming bagahe ng utak mo. Ang daming ng bagay na iniisip mo. And this is something the Empress card revert. Now, disconnect from the world. Take back control in your life, no? Kailangan pakawalan mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Let's see what is the initial messages. And there's a Nine of Pentacles blossoming. Maaaring lumakas ang iyong finances. Na magiging masagana ka dito. Magkakaroon ka ng bago simula. Some of you guys na magkakaroon ng business, new opportunities, and new business ventures. And some of you guys, there's a revert na maaaring kumaga mabuhay ulit yung negosyo mo. No? Nagkaroon ng bankruptcy. No? Ang maaaring ito na yung panibagong panimula. No? Maaaring magkaroon na there's a lot of branches, ganon. And because this is something guys with the temperance, or perfect timing. No, nakalatag talaga yung mga bagay na ito na maaaring mangyari na nga. No, kailangan mo maging kalmado, huwag kang agresibo. Dahil magkakamali ka hanggang hindi ka na makabangon dyan sa ginagalawan mo. And this is something, the Five of Pentacles in reverse, something recovery for financial crisis. Na makaka-recover ka na sa lahat ng mga karanasan, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan, unti-unti ka na makakabangon. What is the additional messages for love life? Sa pag-ibig, there's a tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Naman some of you guys nasira, no, pinaglaruan, maaring kumbaga mayroong taong trumaydor para lang gumuho, no, ang binuo mong buhay at binuo mong pamilya. Let's see what is the additional messages. There's a wheel of fortune. There's something good luck, and there's a turning back. Na ibabalik to sa'yo. Kasi itong bagay nito ay karapat-dapat para sa'yo. There's something a blessing, no? Nasa palad mo na maging maganda na ang buhay mo. What is the Nine of Pentacles? There's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. No, may proposal, romantic proposal. There's something a higher level of commitment. This is something, guys, with a marriage. What is additional messages? There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted supportive person. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. No, may tao talaga na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng importansya. There's something protective. No, there's something provider. What is one more card, please? And there's the lovers. Talaga magkakaroon ka ng love life, di ba? Hindi ka lang niya pakikiligin. Di ba, mamakaling ka pa niya. Charis. Let's see, what is the additional messages? One more card, please. And this is something that Three of Pentacles. Now, some of you guys magkakaroon talaga ng contract. Marriage contract, signing contract. Ano man ito kontrata pagdating sa inyong relasyon. So, let's see what is the additional messages. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, health. And this is something the Six of Pentacles. There is a giver receiving something by the universe. Magiging balanse na ang inyong kalusugan. No? Maaaring kailangan mo magpatimbang, ha? Maaaring it's either pumapayat ka na or maaaring tumataba ka. No? And this is something magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo naman manifest no, sa kalusugan mo. There's a magic with a miracle. May himala. Galing ka sa iyong karamdaman. And there's a Ten of Pentacles with a long term. No? Magiging maganda ang iyong kalusugan at ang iyong pamilya. Kalusugan ng pamilya. There's an Emperor. Maging mature ka sa mga bawal. No? Umiwas ka sa mga nakakasama sa kalusugan mo. And there's the King of Pentacles, security. Diba? Pag-ingatan mo yung kinakain mo, more on herbs ka dapat and more on veggies. Diba? So let's see. What is additional messages tayo for all outcome, no, all areas of your life? And there's an Eight of Wands. There's something development. There's something success and travel, accomplishment. There's a lot of phone call and messages and transactions. And there's a Four of Swords, no? Maaaring makakatulog ka na maluwag. No? There's a Two of Pentacles, magiging balanse na ang iyong emosyon. Magiging kalmado na ang iyong eksena. And there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Ito lahat ng mga bagay na ito, lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo dito, maaaring anihin mo. Maghintay ka. Ito na, paparating na. So let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent with a 34 for the manifesting your dream. So see, manifest mo yung pangarap mo. Diba? Huwag kang magpapatalo. Your desires are within reach. Stay focused and watch your dreams turn into reality, no? Kumbaga, magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo, just continue what you're doing. Huwag mo ngayaan, huwag ka tumingin sa iba. Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo, no? Hanggang sa matupad mo ito. No? Yung mga pangarap mo, maaaring makamit mo at makamtan mo at maging abot kamay mo. So, let's see. What is a confession message na pagdating sa love? And this is something regret. Some of you, meron talaga ditong pinagsisihan. Meron ditong pinanghinayangan. No? Meron, I don't know kung ikaw to, your person. No? This is something, some of you guys, cross-watcher out there, maaaring ikaw to, or maaaring ikaw nga to. And because this is something, guys, with a regret, with an, may intention was not to hurt you. No? Ang intention niya raw ay hindi para saktan ka. No? I am so ashamed and embarrassed, I can't bear to look you in my eyes. Into the eyes. No? Nahihiya siya, natatakot siya. No? Natignan kanya sa mga mata and tell you everything. And I can stand the thought of making you cry. Just let me build up the courage to confront us. No? Confront us. No, natatakot siyang, kumbaga, umamin sa'yo. Natatakot siya na humarap sa'yo. No? Baka masaktan siya, baka mabigo siya. No? Kumbaga, gusto niya malaman mo yung nararamdaman niya. Kaso, para natatakot siya. Nanginayang siya sa mga bagay na nawala sa inyong dalawa. Ay? So, let's see. What is additional messages with messages from the heaven, oracle? Represent with everything happened as it was supposed to you. Could not have stopped or changed anything. There was no other way. No? Kumbaga, wala nang ibang paraan, no? Para mabago na yung nakaraan. Ibig sabihin nito, handa ka ng harapin na paano para bumawi ka or makabawi ka sa lahat na nangyayari, no? Kumbaga, handa ka ng, kumbaga, kapalan yung mukha mo dito na humarap sa takot at pangamba mo. Kasi wala nang Wala nang daan, no, para maging duwag. No, ngayon palaban ka na. What is the deep soul connections represent what? Ang taray puro it's more on love. No, ganun talaga si Archangel Michael. There's something protection and love. And this is something that's with the connections. No, bibigyan ulit ng connection. No, your connections is eternal and unbreakable. No, alam mo yung kahit na hiwalay na kayo. No, kahit na wala kayong connection, hindi kayo nag-uusap. Pero yung pag-ibig nyo at pagmamahal nyo parang hindi na putol. No? Walang nangyaring distansya. Parang alam mo, konektado pa rin kayo. So, let's see. No? Magkakaroon tayo ng pick a card, guys. Pumili kayo dito ng questions nyo. No? With a 1, 2, 3. Mag-isip kayo ng questions, nandun nyo yung sagot with a 1, 2, 3. No? Kaya kailangan mag-isip ka na. Andito na yung magsisilbing kasagutan na maganda ka na ng questions mo. Pipili lang ako muna ng 3, guys. Kasi shuffle ko ito. Okay. Ay, okay. Ganda. Nakapili na ako ng 3. Okay. Okay. Nakapili na ba kayo ng 3, guys? Before anything else, no, magbigay pa tayo with a money deck. No? With the oracle deck, with the money, purpose, with the matter. For money matter, let's see. And there's an expressions, no? Express your creative self. Ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa pagbuo ng plano pangarap mo, kailangan mo maging creative. No? Para makapagbuo ka ng mga bagong ideas, opportunities, plans, open up your heart and connect with others. Kasi kailangan mo rin ng tulong ng ibang tao, no, para makabuo kayo, no, ng pangarap mo, ng pangarap niya, or something like that, na maaaring makapag-earn ng pera sa lapi. No? Number 1 with a yes or no? There's a yes. Stokes your passion and heart desires blooming. No, lalago, no? Ibig sabihin mamumukadkad na. No, ano man yung mga bagay hangarin kagustuhan mo, maaaring matupad at maaaring mangyari nga. No, maaaring oo ang sagot sa iyong katanungan. And because there's something, guys, with a yes, wisdom support your root, go deep, no? Ibig sabihin dito sinusuportahan ka kahit napakalalim ng pinanggagalingan. Ganon. There's a yes, no? Na kahit na ang dami yung pinagdaanan, ang dami yung mga nangyari, no, na parang hindi nyo na alam kung saan nagmula or saan nanggaling, no? Kung bakit kayo pinaglayo. No? Ngayon parang sinasabi na lang dito na gusto mo na lang ulit makapagsimula ng panibago eksena yung dalawa. No? Or makapagsimula ng eksena mo, no? Pagdating sa kung ano man yung mga bagay problema mo. And there's a no, losing part of yourself, missing pieces gone away. Ibig sabihin nito parang kumaga may part sa buhay mo na nawala. Doon na parang hinahanap-hanap mo na parang sinasabi dito na parang hindi ka buo. No? Parang gusto mo makita yung sarili mo o gusto mong hanapin yung sarili mo. Or may isang tao na nawala sa buhay mo na hindi mo pala kaya na mawala siya sa buhay mo. So guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and i-click notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, sabay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumabo na biyayang manang balik. Maraming salamat and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!